Here's how to import a project file into CapCut PC. Start by minimizing CapCut. Find the project folder you want to import. This is usually a folder someone shared with you. Right-click on it and cut it. Now open This PC, go to your drive, scroll down and open Users, then open your PC username. From there, open the App Data folder. If you can't see it, click the three dots, go to Options, then View, and check Show Hidden Files. Once you can see it, open App Data, then go to Local, scroll down and open CapCut, then User Data, then the Project folder. Inside there, open the folder named com.editor.draft. Paste your project folder in here. Now close that window and open CapCut. Your imported project will appear on the home screen. Click on it and it will open right inside CapCut. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on Step by Click.